AgRevive.com, reviving the world through agriculture. Hello and welcome, this is Neil. Thank you for joining me. In this video I'm going to talk to you about where to buy bulk grains. Now at this moment I know of just over 1,450 companies that have grain storage silos throughout the United States. And what I've done is I've mapped them, and I want to show you where they're located and how many silos are in each state. But in order to save time, I'm only going to show you the ones that have 20 or more. Otherwise this video is just going to be way too long. So to start in the south, Florida has 20 grain storage silos. Mississippi has 23. Louisiana has 33. Arkansas has 47. Texas 161. Oklahoma has 39. Tennessee has 29. And Kentucky has 20. Now if you look at the Midwest, Ohio has 69. Indiana has 110. Illinois has 237 grain storage silos. Minnesota 55, North Dakota 36, South Dakota 73, Nebraska 69, Kansas 63, Iowa 39, and Missouri 48. And if you look on the west, Montana has 34, Idaho 21, Colorado 29, and California has 27. Now, are you in need of large-scale grain production, bulk or wholesale grains for your mill, silo, or storehouse, or for trade or for resale? Then I can help you. All you have to do is visit me at www.agrevive.com, like on the bottom of this screen, and go to the Contact Neil page, and you can contact me from there. I will see you on the website. AgRevive.com, reviving the world through agriculture.